Hey there, how are you doing? Team Nokia Powers here, and in this interesting video, we will evaluate Nokia display, and we will also try to evaluate how good the Nokia 8 speaker is, how loud it is, and how rich the sound comes out of it. In coming to display, we will talk about different aspects. We will kind of talk about the brightness, how good the images look like on this display, how uh, good the text look like on this display. We will also we will also stream video from YouTube, and we will see together how the video streaming experience is on this display. And we will also evaluate the outdoor readability under the direct sunlight. So we will go out and we will see how the display behaves under the direct sunlight. So now let's begin. So starting with uh, how the color accuracy is on this display. So we will just check one image here. So as this image has been captured with Nokia 8 camera, so one thing is for sure that the color accuracy is very good, and you can easily notice how well the color appears, how the color contrast appears in this image, and it looks really very nice on Nokia display. The display and the camera has they have like this theme which says that the color accuracy is very good on in the images captured with Nokia camera, and in the same way the color accuracy is very good when you see this image on a display which is like a Nokia smartphone. The Nokia 8 comes with a 2K display with very good PPI, pixel per intensity. So there it offers a treat twice when you watch different kind of images on this. So if you change the images, but still the same thing you will feel, the very high pixel density and the color accuracy, the color contrast makes it a very treat to use display for this purpose. Now coming to brightness part, so it offers a very high level of brightness here. So the brightness is so high that it will be difficult to even see this image. So you can actually ideally set it at around 40 to 50%. That is something ideal for me. uh, there is also a setting called adaptive brightness, which uh, actually it's not it's a kind of slightly less than the desired brightness. So that's why I put it off. So I'll rather suggest HMD to do something about it and make the kind of adaptive brightness slightly higher. So usually I put the adaptive brightness as off and set it as around 40%, which is kind of very good brightness level for me. So what I wanted to kind of show here is that Nokia display has very good brightness, very good color accuracy, color contrast, and the colors look really nice. So both the camera and the display, they deal in very accurate colors, real colors. So now coming to a very important aspect, which is kind of how wide angle the display looks like. So it is very wide angle display. You can easily notice this. From whichever angle you see, Nokia display offers a very wide angle viewing actually. So from here or from this side, whichever side you use it, you would be impressed with how much wide angle viewing it offers. Now coming to a very important aspect for a display nowadays is to offer very good video watching or movie watching experience. So we will stream YouTube video, the Star Wars, the Last Jedi trailer here. We will evaluate both the display as well as the sound quality.
Something truly special. inside me has always been there. But now it's awake. And I need help.
I've seen this raw strength only once before. It didn't scare me enough then. It does now. Let the past die. Kill it. If you have to. That's the only way to become what you were meant to be. You have a spark that'll light the fire that'll burn the First Order down. This is not going to go the way you think.
So till now you must have noticed few things. So when you zoom in with your camera on Nokia 8 display, the display offers very good visibility, very kind of like color accuracy. So it is a treat to watch videos on this display. Apart from that, you may have also noticed the loudness of the speaker. Speaker is very loud, though it's not a stereo speaker on Nokia 8, but speaker loudness is something which is desirable and it does not disappoint.
I need someone to show me my place in all this.
So two things are like confirmed. One, that Nokia display is like very nice. The colors pop out so well. Watching videos is just like amazing. It looks amazing on Nokia display. It's a 2K display with a high amount of pixel per inch density. So even the audio, coming to audio, we know that it does not bring the Dolby Atmos sound with itself. That feature is only available on Nokia 6, but it comes with Ozo audio, and the speaker is very loud. So it's a kind of treat to not only enjoy the videos here on this display, it will be a treat to listening to the songs or kind of playing games. In this video we will quickly see how good the Nokia 8 display is under the direct sunlight. So we are outdoors. While indoors, Nokia 8 display looks really beautiful with very high amount of pixels, very good color accuracy, etc. But how would it behave outdoors under the direct sunlight? So the challenge here is that whether you can actually read that whatever is there present on the display. So that is a challenge outdoors. And here you can easily notice everything that is there on the Google feed. If you go to the browser, you can again easily read what is there on the browser itself. So that is certainly something we will say that is a great feature of Nokia display that allows such a high level of outdoor readability.